The second unboxing is the grass trimmer or strimmer, 40 volt. So a little bit more pieces to this one, and a bit of assembly. So that is a big charger. Like a cattle lead. That's a hefty battery. Popped on charge for a couple of minutes while I assemble the robot. Instruction manual, and I think that's a flower guard. Screws. There's the job. We've got a shoulder strap, the guard and the handle, got the main body. And you know, first impression, I've never had a Hyundai power tools before, but nice and robust. Joints are all tight. Yeah, I'm impressed. So the screws for the guard are inside, and we've got twin ends on there. I'll have to work out how you change that before long. So there's a small notch in the guard and there's a small notch on the front of there. So we just feed that on there. Line up the slot and then spin the guard round. And then till the holes line up, and then 2 screws. Snug tie will do. That's the guard on. Next operation is insert the lower tube in the upper tube. Shows that going in there. Oh, that must split. So yep, that goes in. Tighten that up, and I think that will allow that one. Lock, and then this so then we've got multi-position head, so that being that'll be for edging. and then we just set this angle for straight cutting. Yeah, that's easy. This must be, I'll read the instructions. Cut that one. Tighten. Oh, right, so that slides, nice fit, and then you just lock that down, and then that's the handle on. So, returning to the terminals, the spade terminals inside there, and the slots in the end for the electrical connection are offset, so it's important we get this the right way round. So a little bit of a wiggling gets them right in. So that's the terminals fully connected. Okay, so that's the assembly. I'm most impressed. I mean, this head unit's tiny. I know it's brushless, so it'll be smaller motor, but it's just seems robust, and it's, you know, it's, yeah. And with the battery in there, it'll counterbalance. I like that. I like that a lot. Right. So we've got like a twin spool. I've just noticed there are some instructions. Oh, put the flower guard on, and that just simply, so a couple of holes in the side, that just goes on. Got the strap, which so we can adjust this strap so it takes some of the weight. I'm just going to pop the battery in. See what that does to the weight. So battery's on, on off switch, just on the top of the trigger there. And then so there's a little dead man switch there. Main triggers there, so it goes off quite quick. So we green light, press the dead man in, pull the trigger, very, very, very impressed. And then by adding the battery, that has improved. Yeah, it's almost counterbalanced. Yeah, that's easy. So that's the strimmer. As covered earlier, hedge trimmer. The next video will be the lawnmower. I'm back. Sorry, I didn't mention it. To remove the battery, you have to press this black button down. Battery removes easily. Got it.